When your financial well-being is suffering, it's tempting to play the blame game, blaming only yourself for where you are, how you got there, and how you feel. That's not totally fair, nor is it the whole picture. While taking ownership is important, it's not everything. When it comes to our financial well-being, there's a lot more at play than our willpower and hard work. The first thing that shapes our financial well-being takes place before we're even born. The generational patterns or shifts of wealth in our families. Much of this comes back to financial privilege, or how much of an advantage or entitlement comes with certain identities we hold. If you're born into a wealthier family, you're able to navigate life with better access to education, resources, and a sense of security than others. Or, being born without these privileges may come with less financial security, leaving generations of families to run a financial race, where the starting line is much further back than it is for others. Now, it may also be the case that you or someone in your family may be part of a shift in those generational patterns of wealth. Maybe you're the first in your family to go to college, to earn a steady income. Or maybe it's the opposite, and you chose to be an artist in a family full of doctors. Either way, charting a new course comes with its own set of challenges too.
I'm the first one in my family to go to college, which can make some family gatherings awkward. My aunts are always wanting to know how much money I make. It's weird. No matter how much I succeed, I can't shake the guilt of how much my parents had to sacrifice to get me here.
Another thing that shapes our financial well-being is personal history. There are pivotal moments in our childhood that lay the foundation for how we feel about money in the future, for better or worse. Those early interactions between family and finances become our first lessons in what money is, what it can offer us, how it should be handled, and more. Early memories around money might look like a time at the grocery store, when a parent had to put food back to afford the bill. Or maybe your caregiver was a stringent money saver, never willing to buy birthday gifts or decorate for the holidays. Maybe you were taught that wanting nice things makes you selfish and entitled. Or what about the opposite? That you should make as much money as possible to earn the right to rest.
I really want to buy a new car for once, but does it make sense to spend so much money? We had an old station wagon growing up, and it got the job done.
The third influence comes from cultural norms and messages we've heard about money outside of our family. The relationship with money is greatly impacted by where you grew up, what standard of living was considered normal, and how you compared to it. This continues as you grow, whether your circumstances change or not.
When you grow up the poor kid in the rich neighborhood, everything is about keeping up appearances. It seemed normal, middle class even, to get a luxury car when you turned 16. Meanwhile, I'm still working 2 jobs, trying to keep up. Nothing ever feels like enough.
Next is financial literacy.